not gonna lie, this is a nice little scooter. The mighty Blade X. So you got the battle scars. That's folks. Once you get a scooter, you don't have to sit and wait your truck.
What's up, y'all? Today we got a fun one. Let's talk about the Project EB7. So right now what we're currently riding is the Blade X Pro dual motor scooter. Very fun. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Now, we've been on a mission recently to find the perfect e-bike to build. We've been searching off of Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist. Now, the goal of this project is to find something lightweight, small, and something that can go the distance. I'll probably have to build the battery myself, but hey, that means more content. So if you guys want to see more of this project, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. After months of looking for a bike, we came across one on Facebook Marketplace for a fraction of the price. The only problem is, it doesn't run. Here it is, the Jason EB7. Let's talk about it. Now this is going to be quite the project because this thing is in rough shape. But the good news is the frame looks to be well intact. Here's a brief little roadmap for the bike. First things first, we have to fix the crank arm and clean the damn bike because this thing is filthy. We've already replaced the crank arm and the pedals, so both of those are brand new. Prior to me getting it, it has been sitting in a warehouse for God knows how long. The battery does have a full charge and the bike does turn on, but we get an error 24 whenever we try to throttle. Now this question is for all my paint guys and girls out there. Do we sand this down and paint over it, or do we just go straight for the paint? Let me know in the comments below. Now I'm suspecting that this is going to be an easy fix because when we do try to throttle, the motor does want to go, but it just stops. This makes me think that it could be a hall sensor error. This bike does have some cosmetic injuries, a couple of rust spots here and there, but we're gonna fix that all right up. As you can see, this bike is absolutely caked in dust and debris, so our very next step is to open this motor up and see what the damages are. Surprisingly, the rear brakes actually work pretty fine. The front does need some adjustments. The suspension is less than subpar, to say at this point. We'll probably be swapping that out at some point as well. maybe we'll pick up a new front fork for the bike, because I'm not playing, y'all. The suspension is absolutely cooked. The chain's completely rusted. I don't think we're going to be able to use it for much longer, but it does work. The rotors look to be in good shape. The bike actually does come with a brake light that does flash when you hit the brakes, so that's a plus. We do have a front headlight that we can throw on this, which is going to be more than capable if we need to. The best feature about this bike is that it can fold. This is going to make transportation a breeze. It takes up minimal space, and I can throw this in my apartment whenever I want to without having to think too much about it. I can carry it upstairs quite easily, and the fact that this bike is only 40 pounds, anybody can lift this up. This was one of my deal breakers because I need my bike to be absolutely transportable because I do have to carry it upstairs. Now you're probably wondering about the price. How much is this worth brand new? You can probably find one for about $400 to $500 used on the marketplace. However, we've only paid $200 for this bike with a broken motor and a broken crank arm. These come in at $759 on sale right now as we speak. Did we get scammed? Leave a comment below on how much you would spend for this bike. So there you have it, folks. Project EB7, JCon EB7. Hope you guys stick around for this because it's going to be an absolute fun one. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
They're hard to see. Thank you. See that? There's nothing that beats that. There's nothing that beats that, man. You could beat traffic, beat the light, and you're chilling. It's great.